Hi, Right Writers. Cruz here. Thank you so much for joining me. In this video, we are going to examine two separate Chat GPT responses involving two different tasks on whether a young person should work and travel or whether they should go directly to college after graduating high school. And so I wanted to see how our AI would respond to this persuasive writing task and wanted to share those two responses with you. Maybe you're wondering why use 160 words or less. What is with that, Cruz? And the reason why is because that's connected to the Oxford Test of English requirements. However, keep in mind, right writers, in the future that I will be incorporating some of the requirements from the AccuPlacer Right Placer to see what kind of response I get from Chat GPT. All right, let's take a look at the task one and then how the AI responded to the task. And here is the task that I typed. In 160 words or less, explain why a young person should work and travel rather than go directly to college after graduating high school. And the AI response was as follows. Here's how I would approach the task. There are many reasons why a young person should work and travel before starting college. Firstly, this experience can help them gain a better understanding of themselves and discover what they really want to do with their lives. It provides them with the opportunity to explore different cultures and meet new people who can help broaden their worldview. Secondly, taking a gap year to work and travel allows young people to gain important skills such as critical thinking, adaptability, and communication, which are highly valued by employers. These skills can come in handy when they start college and later on in their careers. Lastly, many students today enter college without knowing what they want to study or end up changing their majors multiple times. A gap year spent working and traveling can help them narrow down their interests and make more informed decisions about their academic pursuits. Overall, I believe there is a lot of value in taking a gap year to work and travel before starting college, and young people should seriously consider this option. Okay, so definitely we have a more persuasive feel here. And what I'm going to do, right, writers, right now is just check out the word count and just see how it did on the word count requirement. Okay, so it created 176 words rather than 160 based on my request. But you can see, right, writers, I mean, overall, I really have no critiques on this other than if I just had one itty bitty, itty bitty, one tiny little critique, I would say that my only concern was this sentence right here. So it says these skills can come in handy when they start college and later on in their careers. The part that I thought was a little bit awkward was this part. And later on in their careers, it's just an awkwardly written sentence, and that would ultimately be my only critique. I could definitely tell, again, persuasive in nature. And now we're ready to go on to the next task. So, again, task two, in this particular response, the AI responded they were focusing on why one should go directly to college after graduating high school rather than working or traveling. And again, the AI response was as follows. Here's how I would approach the task. While taking a gap year to work and travel has its advantages, there are also many reasons why a young person should go directly to college after graduating high school. Firstly, college provides a structured environment for academic learning and personal growth. The academic rigor and expectations in college can push students to work harder and reach their full potential. Moreover, attending college allows young people to build their professional network and develop important skills such as leadership, teamwork, and time management. These skills will be valuable assets in the workforce and increase their chances of success in the job market. Finally, starting college directly after graduating high school reduces the likelihood of taking a break from academia and possibly losing academic momentum. Additionally, it can save students time and money by finishing their academic degree programs earlier. I should reread that, right, writers, because that was a little bit awkward in the way I read it, the pausing and how I read it. Additionally, it can save students time and money by finishing their academic degree programs earlier. Overall, while taking a gap year to work and travel can be beneficial, there are also advantages to attending college directly after graduating high school. Ultimately, the choice depends on each individual's circumstances and goals. Okay, so right writers, I definitely again appreciated the response. Great, no big complaints. If I only had one slight critique on this one, I love the transition words. I appreciated how the AI again looked at that. They argued it has its advantages, but let's focus on why you should go to college instead. And I felt like this last sentence was a little bit contradictory, and again, not biased as a persuasive essay should be, in the sense of, yes, bring up the opposing view, but you should definitely stay biased and persuasive, argumentative as possible. And so, again, not to belabor the point, right, writers, that is my issue with this last sentence. I am going to do a brief word count on this last task, just so we have it, and we're able to see what the word count is for this particular essay. Okay, so this was 171 words. So definitely this one was closer to the word count than the previous essay. With that said, right writers, thank you so much for watching this video. It's really just about, again, examining how an AI would respond to these persuasive prompts and allow you to see writing from different perspectives and viewpoints, besides just mine, but also my AI. Take care, right writers. Love you guys. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. Bye bye.